Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get SideQuest on your VR. So, it's gonna, this is not actually the right one, but what you're gonna do, you're gonna open browser, then just search up, SideQuest. You're gonna do this, SideQuestVR.com. Just search up SideQuest, or you can just go around here if you can see it, or just search up SideQuest VR. It's gonna say this type of search. You're gonna click this, side load now. You need this. You see this? Let's go back. Just gonna download here. Then you this. Click this. Then what you need is this. It wouldn't be the exact same thing, Lightning Launcher. Go to Files. Just search up APK. Then you're gonna find this, click it. Then it's gonna say, do you want to install this app? I want to install it. Then it's just gonna install, and then you just click open. Then you need this. So all you just need to do is this. You need to go to this thing. This will not be the same. So let's just go to that thing. And then you're gonna be right here. My settings. Oh, you can just do whatever you want. I already have mine. So here is the thing. All you just need to do is just enter your code right here. Yes, link now. Then you will have this. Now go back here, and then it's gonna do this, and you got SideQuest. You can get any game you want, and you can even get this game. Or, any games that you like, even like SideCraft and stuff like those. Thanks for watching my tutorial on Just Quentin. See ya! Bonus clip, if you want to, like, download games, it's simple as easy. So, I'm gonna go to SideQuest, if I can find it. I have so many apps on here, I'm sorry. This might take a while. Okay, right here. I guess I want to, for example, I just want to install this game. I'm just gonna, never mind, but I'll just choose this one. Excuse me. Just click this, Sideload now, and then it's just gonna, for your security, it would say this, so just allow it to do it, and then just install. It wouldn't say open. You have to. It might pop up an app in your Lightning Launcher, but this app is not important at all. It's just my thing. You have to use it in unknown sources. You have to find it. Don't ask why I have so many apps. So I'm just gonna open it right here, because I'm too lazy to. And I guess that's just all. I didn't mean to actually say goodbye, just because this is just what it looks like if you need to install, if you don't know how to install apps on here. Just that's, I don't know. So I guess actually